the holidays are just around the corner and Daddy Papa is getting lonely. So it's time to come in the house. Well, hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Kie RaShon. Today's video is brought to you by OMGHerHair. They sent me this unit to try for you guys. Now before I get into this 360 glueless wig that I installed with some bobby pins and some mousse, make sure if you're new to the channel, you go ahead and subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. Also give this video a thumbs up if you want to see more videos like this in the future. Let's go. So like I said, this unit comes to us from OMGHerHair. All the specs for my unit right here on the screen, so if you want to check it out, you can. It is a new tray day, so y'all know my speech is a little wonky when I put my new trays in, so excuse me. But this is their brand new invisible drawstring luscious brown wand curl 360 lace wig. Okay, I got it in 20 inches and 180% density. On the picture, she does look a little bit lighter in color, but on me, she will look chocolate brown. Now, OMGHerHair is the king of trying something new. So they are always updating their cap constructions to give you a more seamless, glueless fit on all the heads, okay? Small, medium, and large. Hello. So on this cap construction, you now have the 3 silicone tabs in the back as well as the Invisi-Band to give this 360 cap a glueless fit. Now we're gonna try it, but y'all know, it's hot outside, okay? So I don't want my wig slipping back. Normally for OMGHerHair, sometimes their wigs be running a little short on my sides. So we're gonna see if we can wear this glueless. If we can't, y'all know I'm queen of the bobby pins, okay? I will pop a bobby pin in her quick. Because I'm not gonna wash this wig, I do wanna test the bounce back of the curl to see how she reacts to, water. If I can find my spray bottle, now wait a minute. So I'm just gonna use a little product right here, just a little water. I just wanna see what happens to the curl. Like, does it bounce back? Does it get stripped? What happens? Comb that out. It does loosen it. So if you want your curls to stay like this, I suggest you give your wig a little spritzing, okay? A little HO bath quickly. It does come with a slight chemical smell that you may not want around your heads. I don't have any dry shampoo. Do I? I haven't restocked on that. So I'm gonna take some of my hair perfume and I'm gonna put that just in the wig like that, and then all over the hair. And because I'm putting this processed wig on my head without washing it, I will be sure to put on a wig cap. Don't be freeballing these wigs if you're not washing them. My wig did come with the elastic band as well as the darts. Fashion Tech, the darts in the wig right here, will help the wig conform around the center of your head to give you a more seamless fit around the whole head, not just in the front or the back. Because this is a 360 wig, I more than likely will attempt to do a full up style. We'll see. I'm already seeing where there may be some struggle. This wig may come in multiple sizes. Whatever they sent me is the standard size. So I'll have to do some finagling in the back for sure because it's short. There's a comb in the back, but not where I need her. She's a little too far up. So if you have a big head like me and they offer this in a large cap, get the large cap. I'm gonna have to use some bobby pins back there. Dang it, OMG. Almost had me, but the front is fitting okay. I mean, I can work with it. It's just, let's go ahead and clip this up so I can get my hairline right. In order to do my up style, I need to first bring some hairs down. Me and 𝐂𝐿𝐿's 10th anniversary party is coming up. I've been trying out some hairstyles that I want to do. Y'all know I gotta do a change. A little change up in here. So I may bring some wigs that I can change out, and I may want this one to be one of them, depending on how this sits once I get it styled. I'm using my Nairobi mousse, focus, Nairobi mousse on my hairline just to mold the lace down. It's a mold, not a hold, just a mousse that I can use to mold the hair down around my face. It also can help mold the lace. If I pull the wig, it's gonna come up. So I just wanna bring this down a little bit to kind of create some wispies around my face. They did send me a band. They got that new joint, okay? The neutrals. And bring that down. I cannot see, I hope that gives a little something. Before I wrap this down, I need to work on the back. I do have some bobby pins here. These are pretty long though. All right, so I'm gonna take these little jumbo pins, the crimped ones, okay, like that. I'm just gonna pull the hair down. Hold, let me get my kitchen up. Y'all know how I do. Pull the hair down and take it, bring it down like this, and then pin it up like that. Okay, same thing over here. Bring it down, flip it up, pin it up. Okay, so bring it down and then push it up. Bring it down and then push it up. Like that. All right, now let's wrap the wig down so I can get my UPSTYLE together. This is how the curls look, you know, out the pack. Not bad, it's giving wand curl. Just kind of want to loosen them. I'm just gonna finger comb it. Any shedding? A little bit. Just gonna comb back this part. I'm gonna pull this up, pull it up, pull it up. Take my bow, wrap it up. Make sure this is tight, okay? Let me go ahead and do my makeup real quick. Here we go. Let's get this band off so we can work on this hairline and tighten my ponytail if need be. All right, Glueless. I didn't put no powder under my lace. I just put the mousse on my head. Listen. I done told y'all about OMG. I done told you about OMG. Where's my brush? Let me just make this a little bit more natural as far as like how it's moving around my face. This kind of already did it over here. Just gonna tighten it up a little bit. Like I told y'all, it's gonna be short on my sides, but we ain't gonna stress about it, okay? We gonna get it fitted around the ear. I can cut some of this, so let me do that. Let me put my glasses back on. Who am I trying to fool? Using my Juvia's Place foundation stick in the color 𝐿𝐻𝐿�𝐻. Tap it on the brush and then on some paper just to get some of that off, because I don't want it to be too harsh around my hairline. All right, it's a little short right here. Let me bring this down. Let me get a bobby pin. Bring it down like this. Bring it back up. There we go. Let me scooch down a little bit. Hold up, there we go. I'm just gonna tease this hair up a bit. This is the TRESemmé Extra Hold hairspray. Tease a little bit, not too much because I don't want it to get too tangled. Hold on, let me fix my hairline. It's a little too blocky. Let's pull some of that out because it's a little too blocky right here. There we go. Okay, and I think that is it. Okay. I think, yeah. Now I know somebody was gonna ask me about how it looked out, so you know, here we go. I just took my wide tooth comb right here and I just combed it out. Nothing crazy, I still didn't wash her. Okay, let's go back to the ponytail. This came out so cute, y'all. I really like this. It's giving wand curl without the wand. I love this color and texture on me, especially for the UPSTYLE. When you wet the hair or brush her out, they will loosen a bit, but you can pop some curls back in there with your wand curl if you choose to. But this is the look you're gonna get pretty much out the pack. So do what you will with that information. OMGHerHair definitely comes through for the girls. The lace is always on point. The hairline is always immaculate. I love it here. The sides are short. That darkness in there, okay, that black, yeah, that's my hair, okay? So it is short on my hairline. So if you got a big head and you don't want to do the finagling like I did, go ahead and get a larger cap size so you can make sure it fits as far as down on the sides and the back. But y'all know I'm gonna do a little something, especially with the bobby pins. Listen, me and these bobby pins go together real bad. Okay, we locked in. Now y'all saw that it did come with that Invisi-Band situation that I could tighten, you know, down the wig in the back, but because the wig was too small for my head and I used the bobby pins, I didn't have to use those, okay? But if the wig is too big, it's too big. Yeah, if it's too big and it does not fit on your hair properly, you can use the Invisi-Band in the back to tighten it down and conform to the nape of your neck to give you a more seamless, glueless fit, okay? Those little silicone grips in the back definitely help it lay flat against the back of my head. Like, it's not like bulging out or anything. This part is bulging out because I didn't tighten it down, but do y'all see how flat that looks against my head. Okay, OMG, I like that. Let me show y'all my outfit. Let me scooch you back a little bit. Y'all see my little, I put the bow on my shirt and then tuck it up under my bra like that. Yeah, there we go. Okay, your girl has been working out, back rolls, I don't care. Pull that shirt down. There we go. All right, your girl has been doing her thing in the gym. Well, at home workouts, but your girl has been doing her thing. And like I said, she glueless, look. Comb up under the wig, under the wig. Listen, the link is down below. And I'm gonna have a coupon code is down there too. Okay, get in where your pockets fit in, or where Daddy Papa may come in handy. The holidays are just around the corner and Daddy Papa is getting lonely. So it's time to come in the house. But that's all I got for you guys today. Shout out one more time to OMGHerHair for sending me this unit. I really appreciate it. I will put the direct link, my specs, and the coupon code for this unit down below. So if you guys want to check it out, you can. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. Also smash the notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. I love you guys so much and I will see you next time. Bye.